Shreya, welcome you all to Task Times. Headlines of the month are: Second Lakshya Assessment was conducted on 13th of August. Independence Day was celebrated at TAS. School has launched integrated Montessori curriculum for the first time in Bhiwadi. Class 11th has started after school's upgradation. Preparatory classes for Olympiad has started from 27th of August. School is all prepared for reopening from 1st of September. Now news in detail. The recent Lakshya assessment was conducted on 13th of August, in which students participated wholeheartedly. TAS is committed towards preparing students to face and crack competitive exams in near future, and hence is giving them an exposure at an early age. Dear viewers, to throw more light over this, we have Shruti ma'am with us.
Present era is marked by competition at every step of life, be it academics, sports, vocational courses, or a job-seeking process. Every sphere of life is witnessing a tough competition. And to give an exposure to the young learners, there comes a role of the educational institution. We at the Ashiana School have commenced a program named Lakshya, wherein we prepare our students to face and crack such competitive exams. It not only develops healthy and ethical competitive skills among the students, it also focuses on developing their mental ability, their confidence and quantitative aptitude, current awareness, which is going to help them in the near future in cracking such competitive exams.
The tricolor was unfurled in the premises of the Ashiana School by our guest Mrs. Geeta Sharma and our Chief Mentor Sir. However, due to pandemic COVID-19, the Independence Day was celebrated with finite number of teachers and staff members. Since the school believes in active and experiential learning right from the budding phase of academics, it envisages a strong integrated Montessori curriculum. Montessori's system of education seeks to nurture the natural interests and activities rather than use of formal teaching methods. The integrated Montessori classes shall commence from September. Let's hear more about the same from Himanshi ma'am.
If being a parent you are worried that your little one wasn't able to join the school at the age when he was to join just because of this pandemic, you need not to worry, because here at the Ashiana School we have found a solution for you. We have launched an integrated curriculum which has two sections, Montessori 1 and Montessori 2. Montessori 1 is the inclusion of nursery and Montessori 1, and Montessori 2 is the inclusion of Montessori 1 and Montessori 2. So if the child who has missed 2 years, he'll be able to complete the whole curriculum in just the duration of 8 months. For that you need to come and enroll with us.
One more feather added to the cap. Yes, the Ashiana School has introduced all 3 main streams, science, commerce and humanities, from grade 11 onwards. The objective is not only to impart subjective knowledge but also providing support to the learners for their future aspirations. I would like to take you to Richa ma'am for better insight.
It gives me immense pleasure to inform that the Ashiana School this session started grade 11 science and commerce stream with career-oriented subjects like psychology in science and mass media and legal studies in commerce. We are proud to announce that we are the first and only school in Bhiwadi to offer these career-oriented subjects to diverse population of students in Bhiwadi. Coaching classes for preparation of competitive exams like GMAT and NEET have already started from grade 11th onwards.
Olympiads, also known as Olympiad exams, are a collective of competitive exams held for students through grade classes 1, been providing national and international champions in these exams year after year. To throw more light on this, we have Sangeeta ma'am with us.
Olympiad examinations identify a child's real potential and capability and help him in future competitive world. It provides exposure to students at national and international level. It improves the child's conceptual understanding, it improves the child's logical thinking and challenges the students to think logically and creatively. Every year our school conducts the Olympiad exams and now due to pandemic the exams will be conducted online. We have already started the preparatory classes to help our kids to compete with the Olympiad exams this year. So dear children, please be a part of this world-class SOF and compete with the millions of students at national and international level. So don't miss the chance. Thank you.
The Ashana school is all set to reopen from 1st of September. As per government guidelines, the entire staff has been vaccinated and waiting for students to experience offline classes after a long break. Shruti ma'am is going to share more on this.
On school reopening, the school authorities will take care of all the necessary safety measures and guidelines by the government. All preparations are already in place. Social distancing, sanitization at regular intervals, wearing face mask would be prerequisite for all the educators, staff members and the students. As a policy matter, school has requested all the visitors and parents to produce their vaccination certificate while visiting school for any purpose.
That's all for today. See you next month with more interesting and informative headlines. Stay safe, stay healthy and wear mask.
Audio Jungle.